Welcome to my channel, and today I want to show you how I achieved my curly hair wash and go, and this is the end result. So if you want to know how I got this, just keep watching this video. And also, if you're watching this, please like, comment or subscribe. It means so much to me when you do. I appreciate it. Thank you. The first thing I do is use a weekly hair mask. So I'm starting off with really damp hair. I've just wet it in the shower. The reason that I use a weekly hair mask is to try and add moisture back into my hair, because my hair is really quite dry. I like to make sure my hair is really wet before applying the mask. And also guys, if you're wondering, yes, that is a paw print on my microfiber towel. This is actually a microfiber towel for a dog. The hair mask I'm using today is Jamica Black Castor Oil by Shea Moisture. I'll link it in the description box below. I'm just going to smooth it through my hair, and I like to focus on the driest parts of my hair, which are the ends of my hair. This really helps reduce your time of detangling when it comes to your car wash. And car wash basically means to wash your hair with a conditioner. I don't use any conditioners or products with any sulfates or harsh chemicals in my hair. And I'm just spreading it evenly through my hair from root to tip. Now I'm just going to twist my hair into a little twist. And I'm just taking a sip of my herbal tea. Don't forget to drink your herbal tea. I've also made a video on what herbs I drink. I'm now going to go in and moisturize my scalp. I've mixed coconut oil, rapeseed oil and a few drops of tea tree essential oil, which is really good at preventing dandruff. I also smooth it onto the ends of my hair, which tend to be the driest parts of my hair, just to really lock in moisture. I probably should have done this part before doing my twist. Now that I've applied my oil and my hair mask, I'm just going to add on my shower cap to lock in all that moisture. And this is how I styled my hair to go on the school run. I look like a total geek, but what can you do? This is really good if you need to run errands or whatnot and you just don't give a what people think. Now it's time to wash this conditioner all off. I'm back from running my errands and we're just going to make our way to my bathroom. Firstly, I'm just going to take out my twists. Now I'm ready to co-wash my hair. The first thing I like to do whilst co-washing is focus on my scalp. A healthy scalp equals healthy hair. I'm going in with my contour conditioner. I'm just going to be applying this to my scalp to ensure that it gets cleaned properly and remove any product buildup which may lead to dandruff. So after massaging this into my scalp, I then like to just remove it with warm water. The reason I use warm water is to remove any product buildup or any debris and dirt from my scalp. After rinsing all the conditioner off my scalp, I then go on to apply it to my hair. So I'm just going to part my hair into sections and detangle with the conditioner. I like to use a lot of conditioner, it helps in the detangling process. So I just wanted to show you the difference. This is my side that I've detangled, and that's my other side that I haven't detangled yet. One side looks long, one side looks short, but shrinkage is actually a sign that your natural hair is healthy as it snaps back into its curl pattern. So I just twisted the one side that I've already done just to keep it out of the way whilst I do the other side, and also twisting it like that promotes the curls. This is how it looks now that I've finished detangling my hair and I've taken out the little twist. And also guys, I want to show you how much hair I've shed. And I wouldn't worry about shedding at all because I find that it's healthy. It's a sign that your hair is actually healthy, because the more it sheds, it's getting rid of the dead hair, so then it can grow more. So I rinsed the conditioner out with ice cold water, which prevents frizz and it also promotes shiny hair. So I've just rinsed the conditioner out of my hair and I'm now going to apply my products. My first product I'm going to use today is... This is a really thick product and I really like it. I used to use it when I first started my curly hair routine, and then I stopped using it and I went for like a lighter product, but I've went back to it as my base product. It's a really good product as it moisturizes and defines your curls. I'm just taking my spray bottle and wetting my hair. Although my hair is already wet, I just want to add more moisture. And I'm quite heavy-handed with this product, so I use quite a lot. I feel like if I didn't use a lot, my hair would be dry and frizzy. So this really helps to moisturize and define my curls. All the products I've used in this video, I'll link them in the description box below. And I basically just smooth this through my hair, trying to make sure that I don't miss any parts. And I also focus on the driest parts of my hair, which tends to be the ends. And I'm just tying my hair up to make sure I spread the product evenly. I'm now going to go in with my second product, which is also by Shea Moisture. This is actually a rinse out conditioner, but I just use it as a leave-in because it gives my hair extra moisture. This is the Yucca and Plantain Anti-Breakage Strengthening Conditioner, and this stuff actually works. It strengthens your hair and it prevents breakage. Since I've started my natural hair journey, I've always loved Shea Moisture products. Their products are just so amazing. It's always been my #1 brand to go to. The reason that this brand is my favorite is because they don't use any harsh chemicals that may potentially damage your hair. And these products really smell awesome. They smell so nice, like the tropics. And not only that, they don't they literally work. They leave your hair moisturized and your curls defined. Now that I've added both my products, I just flip my hair, as this is to prevent my roots drying stuck to my scalp, which will look like a flat hot mess. So I'm trying to basically add volume to my hair. I'm also just scrunching my hair, as you can see, to really get those popping curls. Come on, curls, you can do it. And now, last but not least, this is the last product I'm going to go in with. It's my #1 curly hair gel, which I just love. This is my favorite hair gel. Not only does it leave your hair super defined, it also smells so good. It smells like cinnamon, guys. I've used so many curly hair gels, guys, and this is the best. And let me tell you why. Because it literally leaves no scrunch, which is just amazing. Like, it defines your hair, but it doesn't leave scrunch. Like, you can't get any better than that. And the smell is so nice. So I'm just quickly scrunching it through my hair, and I don't add a lot of this product. And basically, I'm just trying to promote my curls by scrunching it upward. Okay, guys, I kind of lied because I said that was my last product, but this isn't really a product per se, as this is just the oil that I started with. I'm just gonna go in and moisturize my scalp, and I'm also gonna scrunch this on my ends of my hair, which is the driest parts of my hair, just to ensure that it's really moisturized. And also, guys, I know I'm talking on this video, just ignore it because I had to mute it because the volume, the sounds from the camera, it wasn't that good. So I just thought it's better that I do the voiceover. Once I'm done applying this oil to seal in all my products and moisturize my scalp, I then just let my hair air dry. I don't use any heat or diffusers, as I feel like it causes frizz. I like to do this to moisturize my hair, like I said, as I only co-wash my hair once a week, so my curls have got to last me up to 7 days. I also refresh my curls in the middle of the week, which I will film a video on how I do this. Thank you so much for watching this, guys, and I really hope you found it useful. Please give it a big thumbs up, a comment, and subscribe.